To order a new card through Hsbc, start by logging into your online banking account or mobile banking app. If you are having trouble accessing your account, you can visit the Hsbc website and select the Forgotten Password option to reset your credentials. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Card Management section, where you will find the option to request a replacement card. You can also contact the Hsbc customer service team directly to initiate the process. When ordering a new card, you will be required to provide some personal and account details to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure that the new card is sent to the correct person. If your card has been lost, stolen, or damaged, it is essential to report this to Hsbc as soon as possible to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You can do this by calling the customer service team or using the mobile banking app. After you have ordered your new card, you will receive an email or text message to confirm that the request has been processed. Your new card will be sent to you by mail, and you will need to activate it before you can use it. To activate your new card, call the phone number provided with the card, or use the mobile banking app. You will need to have your new card and some personal details ready to complete the activation process. It is crucial to update any recurring payments or subscriptions with your new card details to avoid any disruptions to these services. You can do this by logging into the relevant websites or contacting the service providers directly. In conclusion, ordering a new card through Hsbc is a straightforward process that can be completed online, by phone, or through the mobile banking app. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions to secure your account, you can quickly and easily obtain a replacement card and get back to managing your finances.